Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Technically T hitting you with another video today, and you see what we got in front of us. You already know what time it is. It's Note season, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and this is the Mystic Black color. So I really wasn't planning on doing unboxing because these days I just like to jump into the device because it takes my excitement away. But I was like, you know what? A lot of people haven't really seen the Mystic Black like that. You've been seeing the Mystic Bronze. Of course, that's the one that has Samsung sent those review units out. Those are all Mystic Bronze, but I decided to go with the Mystic Black. Now, I'm pretty sure if you follow me on YouTube and Twitter, you saw this bad boy right here. This is the Note 20 Ultra, but this one is in the Mystic White color. Now, we're going to compare these two and see how they basically differ in the colors and just which one you rather, which one you prefer. So here it is, 128 gigs of storage, man. I didn't get that 256. I just, 512. I didn't get that 512. Although I wish Samsung would have made these in 256 gigs. I feel like that would have been a much better move, but anyway, neither here or there. But here it is, man. I can't wait to start using this device. So let me get up out of here without actually making a mess. And here it is. Here is that Mystic Black. Let's just set this to the side real quick. Now, you already know what comes in the box, man, so I'm not really gonna get into it heavy, but you get the black power adapter and you get the black cord that's in here. I'm not really gonna take it out because I already have Type-C cables and everything, but I will tell you this. When it comes to the white version, you indeed get all white cords, power bricks, and everything like that. So Samsung did that once again, where they matched the accessories that's in the box to the actual phone itself. So that is a nice touch. So let's go ahead and get the plastic off the back. All right, we got that little smudge off. I don't really know what was going on right there, but as you can see, it's not perfect, but that's what comes along with this Mystic Black. You're going to get smudges, you're going to get fingerprints, you're going to get all those type of things, but to me, it really isn't going to matter because it's going to be in a case. So there's that. But yeah, here it is, man, Black Note 20 Ultra. Now let's go ahead and bring the white Note 20 Ultra over here, and you can kind of look at both of the colors. I feel like this contrasts a lot better when it comes with the white body with the gray and the black camera module. I feel like that just looks way better. Of course, the sides, you got those stainless steel, so you got light stainless steel, you got the dark stainless steel, man. So I really like the black. It's kind of stealthy. I know a lot of people are going to say the black is boring and different things like that, but to me, I think the black also looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the elephant in the room, man. Let's compare and let's look at that camera module, because if you look at all review videos, unboxing videos, when it comes to this Note 20 Ultra, everybody is talking about just how gigantic that camera module is. And I'm gonna be real with you. I think everybody is just exaggerating. This thing is not that big. Like, we really have to find something to complain about on every single device. This really is not that big of a deal. It is not that huge. Majority of people, you're going to slap a case on it and then you're going to be perfectly fine. Everybody is talking about when you're typing at it on a desk. I mean, but it rocks. Who's doing that? Who is actually purposely tapping that corner of a phone to make it rock? Nobody is doing that. So I really feel like people need to just stop complaining about anything that they could potentially complain about. But I really don't think it's that huge, to be honest with you. And to be real, I like the look of the camera module. I think it looks pretty good. I tell you what, it looks better. Let me grab it down here. In my opinion, it looks better than the fidget spinner when it comes on the 11 Pro Max. That's just me. I think it does look a little bit better. It looks a little bit more, refined. I don't know. It just looks a little bit better in my opinion, man. But yeah, here it is, Note 20 Ultra. Let me go ahead and power this bad boy on real quick. There it is, Note 20 Ultra 5G. Now, yes, this one will be returned because this is an unlocked model directly from Samsung. This is an AT&T carrier locked model. So yeah, I wanted to see which one I like a little bit better, but the bloatware on this thing is just unreal when it comes to the camera. Not the camera, but the carrier software. It's just out of this world. So I'm definitely returning this back to AT&T. I love the color. I would have got the white in the unlocked version, but by the time I pre-ordered, it was already basically sold out. The shipping dates were pushed back, and I kind of wanted to go ahead and get this in here. So I opted for the black instead of the bronze. I could have got the bronze because that was still shipping during regular times, but I don't care for the bronze at all. So yeah, I love the white. Beautiful, beautiful color. I think that even looks better than the black, but yeah, this will be getting returned today when I go drop that off at the post office. So other than that, yeah, here it is, man. I'm not really going to go through the setup or anything. I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing so you guys can see what the Mystic Black actually look like when you're talking about the Note 20 Ultra. Now, I did also get the Galaxy Buds Live, and you know what? Let's just unbox them real quick. I mean, I want to put that down because I don't have the case on it yet, but let's just unbox these bad boys real quick while we're at it. Well, really wasn't planning on unboxing this, but let's, I got y'all here. Let's go ahead and get into it real quick. So here are the Galaxy Buds Live. I always like to get the new Galaxy Buds whenever I get a new Samsung device. If they are actually out there, I'm always going to pick them up. So very nice small case, man. I really like this case. And then you open it up, boom. We got the beans, man, the kidney beans, what everybody calls them. It's a different design, man. This is something you definitely got to get used to, but I think they're pretty dope. I think they look like a sensu bean off Dragon Ball Z. But I do think they are pretty dope, man. I'm anxious to get to these. I will do a video on these. I'm not really an audio person, but I will do a video about it. But yeah, I wanted to rock out with the whole, the whole black thing, man. It definitely looks nice. Definitely looks stealthy in my opinion. I think black is really slept on when we are talking about the color. And I feel like these Galaxy Beans, Buds Live looks just excellent when it comes to that black color, man. So yeah, stay tuned. Definitely a lot of coverage coming on with these two, man. Well, not so much this. I'll probably get my first impressions and, compare them to the AirPod Pros or something like that. But this is going to be the main star of the show, man, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So stay tuned. Whatever you guys want to see, let me know down in the comment section down below. Say bye-bye to the white, man, the sexy white color, man. Say bye to that. This bad boy is getting returned, and we're going to be rocking heavy when it comes to the Note 20 Ultra. But technically, let me get up out of here. Quick unboxing video just so y'all can see this Mystic Black colorway. Definitely hit that like button, hit that sub button, man, and turn the bell on because, the videos are coming for this bad boy. But until next time, later.